Daan.
Well, a truck driver's life can be lonely when you think of all the times they're on the road, and all the times they've seen the white line highway to and from their homes and where they go. When you see them on the road at night time, with their bright lights blazing down the line, with their radios playing country music, and signs to say they're miles away from home. Every day the same when you're stuck behind the wheel of a big old semi that's pulling kind of slow.
Sabay natin si Van. Papunta si Van.
Pupunta din siya. Yung papunta nga sa taas nga doon.
Sawag mo na mamulan.
Hindi, kino-cover lang tayo para hindi mainitan po.
What an experience. Ang luluwang ng daan, no?
Ang ganda, no? Iba-iba yung ano ng bundok nila. Yung ganda ng mga bundok nila dito. Feeling ko dito na tayo.